Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. I'm Caitlin and I'm a licensed hairdresser. So this is my client Jade. She's been growing out a kind of uneven pixie cut, and also she has a bit of some heat damage right now. So we decided to do some extensions, and we're doing 2 packs of tape and extensions. So the intentionality behind the color we chose for the extensions was to add a balayage look without actually having to put lightener on her hair. And this is the formula that I'm using to tone the extensions. So I know they look kind of scary and purple right now, but when they're dry, it'll look perfect, and I let this process for about 20 minutes. So this is what they look like dry, and this is my extension setup. Unfortunately, you can't really see the ashiness because it's winter and all the natural light's gone. So now I'm just going in on Jade's real hair and trimming off some of the crispies on the bottoms just to help it grow while the extensions are in. So now I'm just applying the tape ins. And I'm just trying to take really clean sections and making sure that there's no hairs from different areas that aren't supposed to be in the tapes. And then I am just lightly tapping the tape sandwich once they're put together with my straightener with 320 degrees, just lightly tapping it 3 times and keeping the extensions away from about a 2-inch perimeter around the hairline. So now I'm just surface layering. This just helps so that if it gets really humid outside or if it rains on her and her hair frizzes up, the extensions will also kind of frizz in the layers that I had added, just so that way her extensions mimic the same texture as her natural hair. And of course I'm beach waving her with my Ionic 1-inch curling iron. Now for the finished look, we are feeling 10 notches bitchier with all this extra length and fullness. And I love how we were able to create this sun-kissed balayage look without having to lighten her natural hair. If you guys like videos like this, please make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.